Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Atala Pink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that the majority is holding their Bitcoin as inactive Bitcoin addresses have hit all-time highs. The second thing I would like to talk about how crazily the US debt is increasing, and I would like to highlight a couple of data and also talking about the fact that this will go on for a while as there is no debt ceiling right now. And the third one is that Binance and CZ ask court to dismiss SEC suit. Why? I'm going to tell you also in a second. So guys, all this in today's video, and don't forget, every single day I'm making you fresh content, related to blockchain and crypto. So if you would like to stay up to date, then simply just subscribe. Subscribe the button, that's the right order, and then you will get the notifications as soon as a new video is out. If you like this kind of content what I'm creating, then simply hit the like button. And now let's start it. Okay, and for start, as usual, let's have a look at the prices, where we can see that Bitcoin is actually $26,627, which is 0.5% up in the last 24 hours. While Ethereum is at $1,596, about 0.9% down. When we're looking at in the top 100, the winners, Zilliqa, it's up 8%. What's that? Yeah, 8%. About Terra Classic, about 8%, and Curved Out Token about 5%. Among the losers, DYDX is 3.6 down, and I don't know why it's Toncoin here now. It's supposed to be more. Now it's good. Okay, 3.6 Toncoin and Multiverse X. So this is used to be around 2.8% down. Pretty much sideways, right? I would say, because when we're looking at here the candlestick chart, this is what we can see. So yeah, going pretty much sideways. Not too much is happening right now with Bitcoin. What is happening is that actually the majority is holding. So the inactive Bitcoin addresses have hit all-time highs. So let's talk about that. So another reason why we do not see movements and volume is simply because inactive BTC supply has hit all-time highs, which means who has Bitcoin, the majority is not selling now. So inactive Bitcoin addresses have hit all-time high across 1, 3, and 5 years time domains, while Bitcoin outflows from exchanges continues. So this is another trend that continue. So according to Glassnode's Bitcoin supply last active chart, inactive BTC that has not moved from an address for more than 1, 3, and 5, as I just said, year time frames, has been at all-time high since July 2023. So recently, an estimated 69%, or if you're looking at the number of the addresses, then 36.8 million addresses have held BTC for over a year. So investors are holding on to their Bitcoin. And on the other hand, Bitcoin outflows from exchanges that have steadily declined from July 2021. As you can see, the number was here about a bit more than 2.8 million Bitcoin, with just over 2 million BTC remaining on exchanges now. So the outflows continues. People buying Bitcoin, investing in it, not selling it. The majority is holding, and I'm now not talking about the addresses which lost their Bitcoin back like in 10 years ago or something. This is now the 1, 3, and 5 years time frames. So yeah, there are hopes that Bitcoin price will go up, and now it's really not the time, according to many investors, to sell it. Okay. Another thing, actually one of the reasons why we, accumulate Bitcoin is basically when we're looking at the national debt in the United States, how crazily it goes up. And now I would like to highlight a couple of numbers because it shows how extreme the situation is right now. So first of all, you can see here the US debt clock. And here in the top left corner, you can see the US national debt, which is 33 trillion almost 33.1 trillion. And you can see how crazy this goes, this number. It's amazing. And now let's look at more closely. So here is a tweet that it has been 60 hours when this tweet was posted since US debt crossed 33 trillion, and it's already up another 50 billion. As you could see, it's already up 99 billion already. That means that we have added $833 million in debt per hour since US debt has crossed 33 trillion. And we are officially paying, so the US, more than $2 billion per day in interest expenses. So just pay off the interest. And then we have the debt ceiling bill, leaves the debt limit uncapped until January 2025. And look at this here. So we had here since 1923, the US debt all the way here to 2000, put it this way, about, 70. Actually, put it, maybe we do this, go up to 10 trillion, and this took us, 78 years. And now, since then, in the last 20 years, pretty much, I mean, okay, a bit shorter, but okay, you got the point, right? So a bit more than 20 years, it actually tripled, and now we are above 33 trillion. So this is how bad the situation is right now. And another thing what the people feeling is that the average interest rate on a 30-year mortgage rises to 7.59%, and it is the highest since December 2020. And why we do not expect the interest rate cut until the second half of 2024. It can go up to 8%. And right now, when we're looking at this, currently, median payment on a new home is nearing a record, which is $2,900 per month. So guess what? How big is the pressure right now on households? And also, look at this. Here you can see the mortgages for the 30-year fixed national average. And look, this was back here in 2022. Right here where the mouse is right now, the cursor. Then you can see it was around 3%, right? And now in 2023, look at that. We are up here, and this is crazy. And this is, it's impossible if it goes like this, and people, the majority can pay this off. So there is trouble, and it shows how bad the system is working and how big the pressure is on household, and how average Joe going to fight this game. I really cannot see it. Okay, the big guys, they always have money, but I'm talking right now about the majority and the economy. Okay, and the third news is all about that Binance and CZ ask court to dismiss SEC suit. So Binance fights back. Basically, Binance and CZ asked the court to dismiss SEC suit. And according to the September 21st filing in the United States District Court for the District of Columbia, both Binance Holdings and CZ claimed that the SEC had overstepped its authority in the lawsuit against them. In the 60-page petition, lawyers for Binance and CZ accused the SEC for failing to introduce clear guidelines for the sector ahead of its lawsuit against the crypto exchange, and as a result had imposed its regulatory authority over the crypto sector retroactively. And this is what they do not really like, and they think this is not fair. So we can see that even the pressure is on Binance, they do fight back, and we don't know what the final result will be. Guys, that's it for today. Before yesterday, I couldn't make a daily video because I was on a conference, some self-development and all these kind of things. It's very, very important as well to grow the channel and my knowledge. And now I'm back, so you're going to get some short videos even during the weekend. And Monday I'm going to have another bigger video just like this one. So don't forget, subscribe to this YouTube channel if you do not want to miss a single thing, because I'm making this daily content for you every single day. Longer videos, shorter videos. The point is, I keep you up to date. And if you like this kind of content I'm creating, simply just hit the like button. It helps the channel, it helps me, and it's a great feedback. So see you in the next one. Have a good one. Bye-bye.